Ever wondered about the challenges MEP contractors face in construction projects? The complex coordination, the intricate detailing, the potential for errors, and the constant need for modifications can indeed test the patience of even the most experienced professionals. Enter the world of 2D AutoCAD drawings, a tried and trusted method, serving the industry for decades. AutoCAD's two-dimensional drawings have been the backbone of many construction projects. They offer simplicity, compatibility with other software, and a relatively easy learning curve. However, they also come with their own set of limitations. The lack of depth and perspective can lead to misinterpretations, and the inability to visualize the final product can lead to errors and costly modifications. Now, consider a more advanced alternative, 3D Autodesk Revit. This revolutionary software brings a new dimension literally to the table. The three-dimensional models created in Revit offer a realistic view of the project, leaving no room for misinterpretation. The ability to rotate, zoom, and explore every corner of the model provides an unparalleled understanding of the project. This not only helps in better planning, but also in identifying potential issues early in the process. So what makes 3D Revit a game changer? The answer lies in its ability to illuminate clashes. In a 2D AutoCAD drawing, clashes between different systems might go unnoticed until the construction phase, leading to delays and additional costs. However, with a 3D Revit model, these clashes are easily spotted and resolved in the design phase itself, leading to smoother execution and coordination certainty. Furthermore, a Revit model is not just about visualizing the project, it is also about collaboration. By integrating with various viewing tools like Revisto, Navis, and BIM Collab, Revit becomes a powerful tool for tracking tasks, identifying clashes, and assigning issues to the wider design team. This results in a more streamlined workflow and efficient project management. In conclusion, while 2D AutoCAD drawings have served the industry well, it's time to embrace the future with 3D Revit. Its ability to provide a realistic view of the project, identify potential clashes early, and enhance collaboration makes it an indispensable tool for MEP contractors. Remember, in the world of construction, a stitch in time not only saves 9, but also ensures a successful and efficient project execution. So why not step into the future and experience the benefits of 3D modeling on your next project?